How to use the Krauss test machine. This machine is used for friction and wear test of different brake pads. First, connect the power supply and ground wire to the machine. Second, turn on the operation computer. Third, install the entire set of brake pads to be tested into the caliper. It need 2 pieces brake pads for test. Fourth, open the testing software and select the required test type. There are generally 2 types of tests: constant pressure test and constant torque test. Fifth, click the green button on software. Enter the corresponding model data and select temperature test type. Then create a folder and a new file name to store the test data. Start the test. The machine will run according to the selected program, and all test data will be recorded. Sixth, after the test is completed, open the report generation software, select the corresponding test type, and import the completed test file. The software will automatically generate the final test report. The test report can then be saved or printed in paper.